Hi guys, Sain here, and in this video I would like to talk about multiplication, division, mirroring and spacing in perspective. But before we start, if you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we will start with multiplication because it's the easiest and most basic of them all. So first we will draw a box. And in order to multiply it or duplicate it, whatever you want to call, we need to find its center. So in order to find the center, we will draw a line from corner to corner, where the both lines meet. That's where the center of our box is. So we will draw a vertical line and a horizontal line. Now we need to decide where from which side we want to multiply our object or duplicate. So I will choose right for this box. So we have to extend the lines, the top one and the bottom one, and also if you know that you want to multiply it once again after that, you can also extend the center line also. So in order to find uh, this is going to be the start, and now we need to find the end of the multiplied box. So what we will do is we will take this point and draw a line through this point, and extend it until it meets this line. So here where it meets the top line, we will draw a vertical line, and we have successfully duplicated our box or multiplied. Now let's draw this in perspective. So first we will draw a horizon line, choose a point uh, for our vanishing point, choose a vanishing point for our object, draw lines, draw a line, now I would if I want to duplicate this, multiply this plane here in perspective, again find the center, like this. Now the center should also go to the vanishing point, the center line. Again from here through this point where it meets the top line, draw a line, and we have successfully multiplied it in perspective. So now let's move on to the division. Now for division, we will again start with a box, and we again have to find the center. Now once you draw the vertical and the horizontal line, you have divided this box into 4 sections. So this is basically what it is. Now I will show you how to do this in perspective and how this can be useful. So for example, we want to make something that is 30 feet tall. So let's say it's a building. The first two floors are 12 feet each, and the last one is 6 feet. So how do we do that? First, we will draw the horizon line. We will select a vanishing point. We will draw a box. Now this is the first box, so it's 12 feet. Now we will use our multiplication skills that we learned in the multiplication section. We will find the center, extend it, extend these lines, a line from here to here. We have our second floor, it's also 12 feet. Now again from here to here. I think it's out of the frame, sorry. Yeah, it actually is. Let me first wait a second. Let me bring this a little down so we can clearly see. So from here this is it. Extend this fully here also, and this also. Now we have 12 feet, but we don't need 12 feet on the third floor. We only need 6 feet. So what we will do is we will find the center. Wait a second, it's not right. Wait a second. So once we find the center, we will draw the vertical line. Now the vertical line has divided into two, so they both are 6 and 6 feet. We can erase the top one because we don't need it. Now we have a building that's exactly 30 feet. First two floors are 12 feet and the last one is 6 feet. We will draw few lines and one vertical line. Connect these, but the line should go to the vanishing point. Yeah, that's it. I think if we erase this also it will look good, but it's not necessary for this video. So now let's move on to the mirroring section. Hope you like the video and find it helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for the future videos, make sure to mention them down below in the comments. See you next time.